here we are again in Portugal.
Well, here we are again, just getting ready for an evening out. It's David's birthday.
And it is a never-ending party planned. Out tonight, out last night, out the night before. Don't go out this often at home. But enjoying life.
Yeah.
Hey ho.
Hey ho.
Hey up, here's the man.
Should be right once you've killed it.
Huh?
Stu.
Hello.
What's Webby's proper name?
Nick.
Nick.
Nick something.
I was just asking David if he'd been in his book.
Yeah, David's birthday.
Yeah, hopefully.
Like
A lot more.
David Niven and all that lot.
Yeah, but the thing that amazes me, you get celebrity this, that and the other on telly, and look at them and think, who the hell are they, a celebrity? You've been taking the weight on your elbows again.
For 12.5 foot. When it's on the deck, it's 7 foot. Right. So it goes on our. It goes 7 foot back from the bow roller on the foredeck.
We don't feed a flash
So
TV, right?
from the baby stay to the.
It's my birthday.
I'm going to go on YouTube, I hope.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you, squash tomatoes and stew. Happy birthday to David. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Survived a
Yeah, because the ginger is newer.
And now the sun's going down here at Faro, at Bruce's yard. We're amongst our friends. And here's Bruce. Bruce, Bruce. Yeah, nice Bruce. And there's Graham and Danny.
Having a fag.
I'm the fag.
Yep.
There's Gailey.
Oh, okay.
And there's Timmy. And there's Mum.
Excuse me, man.
And David is
Slaving away.
slaving away.
Beer, wine, spirit. When I in the house. When I was
Come on, all sing now. Where's your necklace?
Yeah, get your necklace on. Happy birthday to you.
Squash tomatoes and stew. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. 21 today, 21 today. He's got the key of the door, never been 21 before. My mother said she can do as you like, my father said she died.
COVID on there.
It's colder and lumpier every time we go back.
We had that coming back last year, particularly from the Azores back to Ireland.
How often do you close your valves?
We don't. We only close when we leave the boat, when we actually leave.
Out there, mine are closed all the time.
I'm not.
Use the sink,
We live on a
open
boat.
it, close it. Use the toilet, open it. Came out here. That would change the world. Brilliant.
So when you're not in the boatyard, where are you normally?
In
When
the
you're not in the boatyard, where are you normally?
Well, when I had my own boat, I was
Here we are, the day after we splashed, down at Calata at the bottom end. It was nice and quiet. This reminds me of when we first came here all those years ago. Where we first came to with Tim and Gail. And of course there we have a wild bird. Paddle boards. Go looking for shells. No, not shells. Cockles. And then in the distance there's Calata. Let's see. In the anchorage, I counted about 40 boats there yesterday. Laura, going for a chat, having a look. Can't believe that flag is hanging by a single cord with a lead weight on the bottom. Laura! Laura! Good zoom on this. What's this up there? There you go, Christopher Columbus and Co. There be pirates, or there be the new world. Wave! Good smile, dear.
What?
Trundling along at 6 knots, a bit breezy now. Anyway.
So we're on quite a heel. We're doing 6.5 knots. And Captain Stewart's there. He's trying to keep his pace, stand up.
Here we are, Prince of Albufeira Marina. Here we are, safe and sound in our berth.